Hello everyone, my name is Brenda and today's video is going to be about cooking with kids, and I have two helpers here today. I have here, do you want to say hello?
Hi, we're making Moose's mashed potatoes and I hope it's going to be yummy and I hope you enjoy the show. Goodbye.
Well, not goodbye quite yet, right? We're just starting. And then my other helper here is...
I said goodbye to them because I've already done it mine. Hi, my name is Abraham. Today we're doing Moose's mashed potatoes. I hope you like it.
All right. So today's video is going to be how I mentioned cooking with kids. And our nutrition education program emphasizes that you involve kids in the food process. And studies do show that if you do involve kids in the food process, not only do you provide them with basic life skills, but also that they will try the food that you prepare. So today's recipe, like Louis mentioned, is called Goose's mashed potatoes.
Not Moose's mashed potatoes, Moose's.
That's right, Moose's. Thank you, Abraham. You're paying attention. So it's Moose's mashed potatoes, and it's inspired by cooking with Otter the Potter. Ok, gracias por ver nuestro video ahora. Nuestro video ahora se va a tratar de cocinar con niños, y nuestro programa de nutrición de educación recomienda que ustedes preparen comida con sus niños, porque es más probable que ellos puedan querer probar la comida. So, nuestra receta de ahora es una receta que tiene papa y zanahoria. Se llama Moose's mashed potato. Okay, so let's see our ingredients here. So let's go over our ingredients.
Okay,
so
I'm gonna make the ingredients. Okay,
so switch over this way so we can see you.
We have potato.
We have potato. Yes, we have
and salt.
Baked potato.
Salt.
Salt for seasoning.
And what's this called?
Carrots. Which one? So we have some black pepper for seasoning.
Yes, Lewis.
We do have
some carrots.
All right. So our recipe says that the prep time is about 45 minutes.
Yes.
And we cook the potatoes and the carrots for about 45 minutes. So what we're going to do now is mash our ingredients. So if you guys can go ahead and mash the ingredients. Louis is going to mash carrots, and Abraham's going to smash the potato. All right. So let's make sure that's all smashed. Yeah, very good. So work gently, okay? Gently. So we do want to make sure we wash our hands before we start any cooking preparation. And what I'm doing here, I'm just peeling the potato. So just mash it up. What are you guys doing there?
Yeah, we're doing good.
Doing good? All right. Ooh, looks delicious, Louis. Very good. All right, so I have mixed some potato and carrots here.
Can I put this in there?
Yes, go ahead and pour it in here. You ready to put yours in there? All right. All right, thank you. Abraham is pouring some more potato. And in the meantime, I'm going to put a little bit of seasoning. So what I have here is some black pepper. Okay.
So now can I serve it, Mom? Can I put the salt?
Yes, put some salt.
Can I put the next ingredient?
Yes, the next ingredient is going to be So what I have here is some chicken broth. So the one I use is unsalted chicken broth and also some butter. So you bring it to a boiling point, the butter and the chicken broth. And I added a little bit of salt because it's the chicken broth is unsalted. So we're gonna pour in some in here. It's already in here. I'll pour it just to be a little careful, okay? So you can go ahead and stir it up.
Mom, could I put this in there? It's gonna be.
It's empty.
Mama, it's gonna be tasty really good.
It's gonna taste delicious.
It's gonna give me the milk. Give me that.
Which one? Oh, this one. You want to look at the recipe?
Did I first have this?
We have enough pepper. So another thing I would just recommend that you guys do in advance is just prepare all of the ingredients so that your little ones can just pour the ingredients into the main dish. And this just saves you time and it just works out better. That's one of the tips
Mommy,
I would recommend.
Can you see our partner is trying out some dish if it's good to put in there?
Oh, so Lewis would like to try a little bit of pepper just to see how it tastes. So let's put some in here.
Mama?
And see how it tastes. Because they do want to taste. They're curious to see how all these ingredients taste, and that's why they want to try it when it's ready. Yes.
Excuse me. Is it gonna be looking like this?
Something like that, yes. Our recipe will be looking like this. All right. So para los ingredientes, lo que hicimos es mezclamos la papa, la zanahoria, le pusimos pimienta y también caldo de pollo y butter, margarina, poquita sal también para el sazón y más lo mezclamos.
It's tasting good.
Esta es nuestra receta. So, es muy fácil de hacer. Right. So now for the final test, let's see if my participants approve of this delicious recipe. Do you like it? Yes, delicious. Okay, let's see my other participant. Do you like it?
Now, let's see.
Very good.
Let's see.
There you have it. Moose's mashed potato. Oh, for me. Also for me. Very good.
How is it?
Thanks for helping me out.
Well, and at least you put too much pepper, it still tastes good.
It's still delicious. So make sure that you grab Cooking with Otter the Potter for tons of other recipes, and just have fun with your kids. All right, and that's it for today's video. We hope that you like Moose's mashed potatoes and that you grab Cooking with Otter the Potter. This book actually has tons of recipes, kid-friendly, really fun recipes. All right, see you soon.
It smells really good.
Gracias por acompañarnos. Ojalá les haya gustado nuestra receta y cocinando con los niños. Y si gustan más recetas, agarren este libro, Cocinando con Potter the Otter. Muchas gracias. Say bye bye.
Gracias.
Say bye bye.
Bye.
Gracias.